Digital marketing is an exciting field that's constantly evolving, and if you're just starting out in 2024, there are some key concepts you need to grasp. First off, let's talk about the importance of understanding your audience. Knowing who you're targeting is crucial. Create buyer personas, detailed profiles of your ideal customers. Consider their demographics, interests, and pain points. This will help you tailor your marketing strategies effectively. Next, let's dive into content marketing. Quality content is king. In 2024, video content continues to dominate. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are where your audience is spending their time. Short, engaging videos can capture attention quickly. Think about storytelling. It's a powerful way to connect with your audience. Share your brand's journey or customer success stories. Authenticity resonates, so don't be afraid to show the human side of your brand. Now, let's discuss SEO, or search engine optimization. It's essential for driving organic traffic to your website. Start with keyword research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you find what your audience is searching for. Optimize your website's content, meta descriptions, and titles. In 2024, voice search is on the rise, so consider how people phrase their questions. This means using natural language and long-tail keywords to improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Social media marketing is another pillar of digital marketing. Choose platforms that align with your audience. If you're targeting younger demographics, TikTok and Instagram are your best bets. For B2B, LinkedIn is invaluable. Engage with your audience through polls, Q&As, and behind-the-scenes content. Building a community around your brand fosters loyalty and encourages word-of-mouth marketing. Email marketing remains a powerful tool. It's not dead, it's evolving.
Personalization is key.
Use segmentation to send targeted messages based on user behavior. A well-crafted email can drive conversions and keep your audience informed about your latest offerings. Don't forget to analyze your email campaigns. Metrics like open rates and click-through rates will help you refine your approach. Let's not overlook the role of analytics. Tools like Google Analytics provide insights into your website's performance. Track user behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. This data is gold. It allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your strategies. In 2024, data-driven marketing is more important than ever. Lastly, consider the impact of paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads can give you a significant boost. Start with a clear goal, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or sales. Test different ad formats and audiences to see what works best. Remember, digital marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build momentum. In summary, digital marketing in 2024 is all about understanding your audience, creating engaging content, optimizing for search engines, leveraging social media, personalizing emails, analyzing data, and utilizing paid ads. Embrace these strategies, stay adaptable, and you'll be well on your way to mastering digital marketing.